Hello my dear students, I am Ronja ma'am and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is very delicate because it deals with the matters of the heart. What to do when a student falls in love? Well, I thought let me discuss this topic because I've seen many students in this situation and many a times they can't discuss this with anyone, but they don't know what to do, how to handle this situation, what to do, what not to do, what to think, what not to think, and how to study, how to concentrate in this situation. Well, I'm going to discuss everything in this video. If you like it, do share it with your friends and click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you want to contact me, if you want me to discuss any issue that is bothering you, you can talk to me, contact me on my Facebook page or on Twitter, or you can write it in the comment section here down below. Well, you know what? I think falling in love is just like having a stomachache. Suddenly your stomach starts aching and you think, oh God, what did I have yesterday and what do I do now? It's just that suddenly you start liking a person and then you think, oh God, what do I do? You just don't know what to do. You start liking someone and it just happens. It's not in your control. What to do? Absolutely fine. It's not in your control. But one thing is in your control. That is your mind. You can control it. How? Well, you tell yourself that fine, I like this person. Don't go into the mode of denial or let me think, let me talk to my friends. No, I don't think I like. Okay, I think I like. It is just wastage of time. You know it very well. You like this person. You tell yourself, fine, I like this person. But as of now, let's just be friends. See, you are just a student. You're not earning. You don't have a career. So can you think of future? Can you think of a relationship? Can you marry? No. Do you want a bright future? Do you want to do very well in life? Obviously. Then right now you be friends and you study well. Now here lies the problem. Many students tell me that, ma'am, I just can't concentrate. It's okay, it happens. So I have a solution for you. Don't spend a lot of time with this friend of yours on a one-to-one basis. Like, you both are going out or you are sitting and chatting for a long time, or you are texting each other, messaging each other and chatting, or you are calling each other. Because if you do this for a very long time, even in your free time, if you do this, when you will sit to study, you won't be able to concentrate. Obviously, your concentration won't be there and you won't be able to study well. So, if you really like someone or if you love someone, that should not be your weakness. That should be your strength. So, don't make it your weakness and don't make that weaken you in studies, in all other extracurricular activities, and even weaken your future. You know what I mean. So you tell yourself that this is the time that now I should work hard, prove myself and have a bright future and a good career. See, right now you have started to know yourself. That's why you think, okay, this is the person whom really I want. I have some image and it's going well with this person. So you have started knowing yourself. After a few years, you will know yourself and the world better. You will know yourself more. So that is the time when you will take the decision, not now, right? So whenever you get distracted, you can't study, you tell yourself this, that this is not the time to take the decision. I'll take the decision then. So right now, let's just be friends. Let that person be one of my many friends that I have. And you have to do this and you can do this. See, marriage, relationship, it's an important part of life. But you know what? It is only a part of life. And life has many components. Your parents, their dreams, your studies, your career, your hobbies, your extracurricular activities, your other friends. You need everything in life. Everything should fall into place. Then you have a beautiful picture. Don't keep on dreaming that you don't have the time to make your dreams come true. Did you understand what I mean? You're going on dreaming about this person, you're going on spending time with this person. So what will happen? The other dreams that you have of career, of other extracurricular activities, your studies, you won't be able to work hard and give time for those dreams to come true. And maybe this dream will also be affected because of that. So get hold of yourself. What does that mean? Get hold of your emotions. Your mind should not control you. Your emotions should not control you. You should control your mind. You should be in control of your emotions. So be in control of your mind, of your thoughts, and of your emotions. You can do it. If you do that, all the problems will be solved. See, liking someone is not a crime. But what is important is your mind should be in your control. Have a bright future and a beautiful life ahead.